Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix black screen issue on your iOS device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're trying to watch a new content on Netflix but you are not being able to do so since it shows you a black screen error, then here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to do is to check the App Store for the latest version of Netflix app. Sometimes updating your application to the latest version is all it takes to fix the Netflix black screen error. Simply go tap open your App Store and search for Netflix in the search box. Once you make your search, if you see an update button right next to Netflix app, simply tap on update to download the latest version. If you see an open button, it means you already have downloaded the latest version of Netflix on your mobile device. Once you update your application, your problem might be solved. If it still does not work, the next thing to do is to simply reboot your system. Simply press the power button and slide to power off. Now, reboot your system, and once you do that, try logging into your Netflix account by tapping on the Netflix app and typing in your credentials. Once you reboot your system, you might be able to solve the issue. If it still does not work, the last thing to do is to simply get rid of Netflix application from your mobile device. Press hold the application from the app drawer and tap on remove app. Tap on delete app and confirm deletion by tapping delete in the pop-up one more time. Once you get rid of your application, go back to your app store, search for Netflix and re-download the application on your smartphone. Once the application gets reinstalled, tap on the open button, type in your credentials and log into your account, and you might be able to solve your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you're not being able to use your Netflix account since it keeps showing you black screen. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.